Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Finally today the Bitcoin has spiked beyond $20,000, and in today's video we will try to understand that whether the Bitcoin will continue its rally or it will be moved below $20,000. Now let's move to the chart, but before moving to the live chart, I would like to tell you that you can also support me and join me on Patreon as well. I've also shared the link to join in the video's description. It will be really very good for your trading experience as well. Now here, if we take a look at the weekly chart, but before moving to the live chart, I would like to show you some of my previous clip, what I told you in my previous video that I shared on 28th of November, when I told you that we need the closing on the monthly chart above $17,200. And once we will have that closing, then we can expect a rally up to $24,000 to almost $30,000 for the completion of the bearish butterfly pattern. That will be a bearish move, like previously I predicted here in the month of April, when the price action completed this bullish. This was not butterfly. This was a garlet pattern. And here the price action entered in the potential reversal zone, and I told you that the price action will be reversed because this is the reversal zone as per Fibonacci sequence of the garlet. And we can see that so far the price action has spiked from $6,800 to beyond $20,000, or almost $20,800, and this is almost 200% rally. And same as like that, almost the price action has now on the bigger time frame. That was also the monthly chart, and this is also monthly chart, is forming and completing the final leg of the bearish butterfly. Now I'm just going to play this clip and listen what I said. It can move up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, 1.618. That ends up to this level. And after that, we can have another drop before the next bullish rally that ends up to $30,000. Starts from almost $24,000 and ends up to $30,000. So only almost 3 days are left in ending of this month. So if we will have the closing above this level on the monthly chart, then the price action may move more up for the completion of the final leg of the bullish butterfly that starts from this level, that is 24,000, and ends up to $30,000, and then we can have some retracement move before the next bullish rally. But at this time, the price action is at a very critical position because we are not having closing above this level, and the price action is still moving in this potential reversal zone of this bearish butterfly pattern. So next 2 or 3 days are really very important for the price line of Bitcoin. If it will be closed above this level on the monthly chart, then we can expect a bearish butterfly move that will be moved more up. And if the price action will be not able to close. Okay, now if we take a look on the live weekly chart, and here I have placed the EMA 10 and EMA 21. Most of the traders were expecting that now the price action is at a very high distance from these EMAs, and we will now retest the EMA 21. And some of the traders were checking this chart with the simple moving average 20. But if we have the closing, we have the far above closing from $17,200. We had the closing of previous month above $19,000. Therefore, now we are going for the butterfly pattern, for the bearish butterfly pattern. And if we take a look on the Ichimoku cloud on this weekly chart, then we can see that the cloud is turned bullish, and we have a very strong bullish cloud now, and the lagging span is also bullish. The conversion line and the baseline are also bullish. And if we compare this move with the previous move of 2017, then here we had a very, very weak cloud that was bullish but very weak. But as compared to that cloud, this cloud is very strong. Therefore, we are not expecting a bearish reversal, a very long-term bearish reversal like we had back in December 2017, after December 2017, very soon. We are not expecting. So it will move up between $24,000 to $30,000 almost. It ends up to 29,892. Maybe we will have a spike up to $30,000. Then we can have a drop. That will be the Fibonacci projection of A to D like as per this bearish butterfly. That will be from 0.382 and ends up to 0.786. So here it will be 19,500 almost, and here that will be almost 8,000 or 800 or maybe around $9,000. From here, we will have a critical position of drop, but after that, we can have another rally to the upside. Here, I'm again repeating that we have a very strong Ichimoku cloud that is not as weak cloud as we had the previously in 2017. Therefore, we are not expecting a long-term bearish reversal soon. So we can expect a long-term bullish move, at least up to $24,000 to $30,000. Then we can expect another correction rally, and then the price action can move more up. Now, if we take a look on the live daily chart, the price action is very using this 25 simple moving average very well. And from October, the price action did not break down even the 25 simple moving average, and we have a very, very strong open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. Unless these moving averages will not close the open alligator mouth, then we cannot expect that there will be a long-term drop. So I'm expecting a move up to 24,000, between 24,000 to $30,000. Yes, in the meanwhile, there can be on the short term and on the midterm, there can be some correction rallies, but on the long term, on the monthly chart, we are going up to hit 24,000, between 24,000 to $30,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to join me on the Patreon, then I have shared the link in the video description. You can join me there as well. Take care. Goodbye.